Little roll down UltraRosa, but sort of mucking around with the camera. It's been a while since I had the camera out, so might have to readjust the settings. See how we go. Oh, I nearly got lost. Haven't been down here for a while. Oh man, that corner's got a bit chewed out. Oh, ouch! Caught my pedals. Oh, munched my ankle back there on that pedal strike. Oh, which corner am I going to take here? Inside line. Ah. Oh. Bit messy, but picking it up through it. Choppy. Oh, that was a bit ugly. Just going to cruise down here. It seemed to have a leak on my back tyre, so I've got stuff all tyre pressure. Oh, there she goes. Oh, yeah. Lost it. So, just cruising out. Got a major leak in my rear tyre. It's almost completely flat, so I'll come up here. Not sure which trail I'll use to get out yet. Anyway, I'll just have to be slow because like, I can pretty much feel my rim on the ground and I'm not walking. Maybe we'll go down Eastern Spice again after last week's debacle on the Banshee. Bit offline, pinged on that jump. I'd like to blame the bike, but realistically probably just a lack of talent. Not that I've crashed there before, but anyway. Oh, I'm not very good at talking and riding, I get out of breath. Down here. Eastern Spice. Try and ride it smooth. Oh. Actually should be careful because all that little bit of pressure, these little bumps aren't good for my rim. Really want to do those jumps at the bottom again. Wisest idea. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Not particularly good at making wise choices, so I'll just cruise down barefoot and stuff. Oh, probably wasn't so good on my wheel, a bit slow.